eyes are located close to the brain so that its message can be arrived quickly. Okay, that means there is a strong coordination between the eyes and the brain. Okay, eyeball is completely surrounded by a layer of soft fatty tissue and placed in a bony tissue where eyes are protected. So seeing from the inside, the protected position of the eyeball within the funnel shaped eye socket is still shown more clearly. Okay, this is the eye socket that is shown more clearly. Note that this is a white socket called optic nerve, which connects the eye to the brain, and also these muscles which moves the eyeball. Okay, this is the empty eye socket within the skull with its bony wall inside and bony orbit in front. Okay, you can see this is bony wall and this is bony orbit. The capsula of the eyeball seems to have three layers. Okay, this is your capsula and it seems to have three layers. This thick tough outer layer is called the sclera and serves to protect the delicate structure within. Okay, this is sclera. This transparent bulging portion is called the cornea. This portion, it is known as the cornea. There is a crystalline lens within the area of the main part of the human eye. Okay, so the second layer is called the choroid. This is the choroid. It consists of the different zones. The first zone is called choroid proper. This is choroid proper, and it is the part that carries nourishment to the tissues of the eye. The next zone is called the ciliary body. This is your ciliary body. This is the broad ring-like structure, okay, of the thin muscle fibers which plays very active and vital role in the visual adjustment of the eye. Okay, the third zone is well known as the iris. Okay, the third zone is known as the iris. This is the iris which expands and contracts the pupil much like that of the diaphragm of the camera. Okay, this is iris. The innermost layer of the eyeball is called retina. This is the retina. Okay, it is a very delicate membrane. The retina is actually the part of the optic nerve which transmits the light impulse to our brain. Okay, retina is most important and complex structure in the eyeball. It consists of the complicated arrangements of rods and cones which converts light waves into the nerve. These are the complicated structures of the rods and the cones. Okay, then between the lens and the cornea is aqueous humor. Okay, it is between the lens and the cornea. It is known as the aqueous humor. It consisted mostly of the water and a little salt. Okay, this largest space, okay, that you can see, this largest space within the eye is filled with the vitreous humor consisting chiefly of water mixed with salt and albumin. Okay, it's albumin. It is highly transparent jelly-like substance and plays a very important role in the vision adjustment. Okay, the reflected light of the world, you can see this is the reflected light of the world, which when enters through the crystal transparency of the cornea, then from pupil, then aqueous humor, lens and vitreous humor, which is a clear gel-like substance that falls in the middle of the eye and then projects on the photoreceptors of the retina. Okay, the photoreceptors are the photosensitive tissues lying at the back of the eye. Okay, these are the photoreceptors that you can see. Okay, now talking about the macula. So macula is very small area of the center of the retina. This is at the center of the retina, that is known as the macula. That gives us the fine pinpoint center of the vision. The area of the retina surrounding the macula give us the peripheral of the sight vision. Retina converts the light rays into the signals that are sent to the optic nerve and then to the brain. Okay, this is all about the macula, and you can see that the waves are sent to the nerve, optic nerve, and then to the brain. Okay, the continual adjustment of the pupil and the lens regulates the entry and focusing of the light. This is the continual adjustment of the pupil and the lens. Okay, every blink helps the eye's natural defense system. The tear film retains moisture and maintains the visual adjustment. Okay, the tear gland secretes the tear flow which contains the important natural disinfectants to keep bacteria away. Okay, and it drains through the tear duct into the nose after flushing, cleaning the entire eye surface, and then the tear system washes away impurities to maintain eye health. In this way the eye health is maintained. Okay.